welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna get the walls nice and white. We have done the plastering, now we just gotta go and lightly sand the walls. They are really smooth already. I don't know, I'm getting really good at it and I can't really feel any of the bumps much. Here especially where is tape. The tape is so nice and skinny that I need so little plaster to cover the final layer, the second layer. I could go third layer if I really wanted to be extra, but I feel like it's going to be perfectly fine. We're going to add loads of wood accents. It's going to be here a giant table. There's going to be a lot of extra things that are just going to take your mind off any imperfections the wall might have, which realistically on the naked eye you can't see without going up close and investigating it like that. So I think we're going to be fine. So let's get started, lightly sand it, and then get on with painting so it looks beautiful today.
Exciting.
Yeah. So we are done with sanding. It is nice and smooth, all the connections. We did go over with the vacuum cleaner and cleaned it up as well. All the sills, everything, all the floor, everything's nice and clean. So now we gotta tape all the window frames, gotta tape the window sills, and I think that's about it. And the ceiling, we need to go tape, just so we can go quite confidently and paint nicely, so we don't need to worry about making anything white. So let's get started and tape everything.
I realize it's a lot of taping.
It's a lot of taping. We're going to be taping more than painting probably.
Always the preparation takes longer than the actual painting.
Yep.
I think that's what everyone says.
It's more important than the painting. So we are done, we have taped everything, and now let's open up the paint and pretty much start painting. We're going with the basic everything white because we want as much brightness as possible. As you see, it's I think 2 o'clock in the day and it's already feeling like evening. So yeah, that's why we need the brightest rooms possible. This room is pretty bright compared to the rest of the house. So white is gonna make it even more brighter.
Plus, we don't want to risk again toning things and then not turning out the way it is in the shop.
Yeah.
Like we had many times accidents. So just go plain white, easy, cheap. Because also it costs extra money to tone it.
We'll see. Maybe we'll add some accents, but mostly it's gonna be just wood.
I think it's just gonna be white with like wood accents. So
It's gonna look good. But the wood, we're probably gonna stain it dark.
Yeah.
Because I think that's gonna fit nicely. So I like the wood frames being dark. Yeah, it's a smooth one. How much do you think we need?
Don't know.
We didn't.
We did not lock it before.
Yeah.
I don't think I can do anything about that.
Probably could. Oh, dude.
No.
You gotta be done with me.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be brown. Do it at the very end. I don't know.
Somewhere's a brick.
Bye bye, chicken poop.
So it's a bit later and we are gonna get on with the second layer, and it feels like it definitely needs it. We're not so sure about third layer, but we're gonna see as we get there. Might need also a third layer. Definitely some spots will stick out more than others, but let's get started and paint out in the second layer.
that does not really have much of a difference in the camera.
Yeah, but here it looks different.
Two and a half hours later, and we're doing the third layer, which might be the finishing one.
Might be, yeah. Kind of.
I mean, in the camera, it already looks perfect. Already with 2 layers, in theory. Like, it looks all white, but you can still see some plastering spots. And honestly, now from this side angle, you cannot really tell the imperfection of the in-betweens of the windows. Kind of looks good.
So it's the next day. I painted 3 layers on here and it looks pretty good. You can't really tell any of the plastering or any differences. Some of the spots that have problems, which are the corners, but these will get covered anyways, and close to the windows all will get covered as well, and the bottoms and the tops we are gonna do all edging, so it's gonna be no problem. I think we did a pretty good job, so I think it's gonna be good for now, and then every 2 years, every 3 years, I don't know how much it really lasts the paint until it starts yellowing, so we'll see how often we repaint it, but you need to repaint it once in a while anyways, the walls, if you want to keep them nice and fresh, or if you want to change the color tones or anything. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. In the next video we are gonna see what we do with the beauty part of the walls, because they need to be addressed, all these edges, and all of them need to look a bit better, because currently it doesn't look very appealing. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.
I mean, from far away like this in the camera, it does not look so bad.
Yeah, I guess.
But still, we'll make it more beautiful.